Hello, my dear fellow dressmakers. Your qualification is getting higher. However, the fashion is also moving fast. The styles of wedding and evening dresses become more interesting, sophisticated, and refined. Your imagination creates incredible images, and the internet makes you create even more. The following questions appear more often on the forum and my email. How can I cut this skirt? How is this dress drafted? How are these stunning folds on the skirt strengthened, and what pattern should I use? Which strengthening construction should I use for the dress of a certain form? And many other questions. You should agree that you and your clients often look at various photos and pictures of sophisticated models on the internet and don't know where to start. In fact, you can study and know many training courses, but there is always one client who seeks a particular model. Therefore, you should design, but you should have specific tools for that. The most important tool is the miniature designer dress form. You will appreciate it only when you have it. Once you try and use it, you will start to think how you ever coped without it. Why are the designer dress forms, as a rule, used at a 1:2 scale? It is because the dress form at such scale allows developing any complex model quickly and economically. Its size is enough to understand the properties of the fabric, the shape, and the hardness of the garment. No wonder that all fashion houses use the half-scale dress forms in their experimental workshops. There are compulsory practical exercises with such dress forms in the training program for all young designers. However, the professional miniature dress forms are rather expensive, as they cost about $400. Even Chinese replicas of the miniature dress forms, which are primitive and without marking and can be used probably for skirts only, will cost you about $100. That is why I decided to develop this course where I show my invented method to make a miniature professional dress form. My dear dressmakers, I want to invite you to make such a dress form step by step with me. You will create an irreplaceable assistant from Whatman paper and newspapers in a couple of evenings. Well, after you make the first dress form, I assure you, you will want to continue this exciting activity. Once you receive a ready-made pattern from me, you can modify it to create a full range of these dress forms. And here I am holding the dress form that each of you will have by the end of the course. This dress form is perfect for both design and mock-up. Why will it be convenient to use such a miniature dress form? I provided for a soft layer under the dress form cover so that it is easily pinnable. The marking of the curves on the front and back, and the precise position of the shoulder and side seams will help to balance the future garment properly. Moreover, I will show you how to make the correct height of the stand so that the length of the miniature garment is in accordance with the given proportions. Despite the fact that the dress form is made of the most common and affordable materials, it is strong and durable. The creation method is so simple that you can even involve your kids to help. I am sure they will love making the dress form with you. So, I think it will be a captivating activity. Let's get to work.